G'day, my name is Richard Oborn. Some years ago we had an extension put up and we were so proud of this extension, and we had these huge blank walls. Now over the years, when the house was much smaller, we had collected art, just bits and pieces, things that we remembered, things that reminded us of trips we'd done and fun we'd had, but we'd never hung them up. So when we had the opportunity with blank walls, we were wondering what we could do, because we wanted to transform a house into a home. And it is a problem, because we were proud of our walls and we didn't want to go and put holes in it. And through a friend we were introduced to Jacqueline from Hang. And we had this system which allowed us to actually hang these things. Now we were so pleased, because it actually was transformational. We moved from really a house that was well built to something which surrounded us with memories and happiness. And to have a system like that, we wanted something which was not only functional, but aesthetically pleasing. Now, in this, with the system that Jacqueline has, we actually achieved this. And there are two other features about this. Firstly, we got Jacqueline to hang it for us, so we had a job well done. And thirdly, we had the pleasure of Jacqueline. If you have to spend money, at least spend money with someone who knows what they're talking about and is a pleasure to do with. Really couldn't recommend them more highly. I hope you have the same pleasure.